Yeah. MD, JPB, it's only right, baby.
Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go. Look. I tell shorty drop it for a real one. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women, if I want them then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women, I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them.
Hey guys, it is January 29th, 2021. Jesus. Today we're headed back to the track. I'm gonna be racing Austin in his 2016 340i with a big turbo that kicked my ass last time. I'm not expecting a different result, but I do hope to put up a better match considering that I know what I'm doing with this time. And I'm also going to be racing around her M4 CS, which is also tuned now, and she lowered it a bit, so that's going to be probably a more fair match, and it's also going to be fun. I'm probably only going to run 2 races. I don't see any other reason to race anybody else unless I decide that I want to go for faster lap times or faster track times. But yeah, I'll most likely be recording on my drone, and everything else will be recording for him and Ariana. Also hoping to get into the high 11s, hopefully mid, but I doubt it. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be faster than that. Granted, it's stock. Probably when I tune it and put headers on it, it's gonna be a lot faster. For now, that's what I'll be satisfied with.
In the middle of the ocean, can you try to understand how a touch can cause explosions? Rise up. I'm too great to be landed. Rise up. We're too great to be standing.
They ain't never gonna stop us, fly at 'em like choppers, better took those risks, cold blood in my fists, we fire starters, one out of a million will reach those heights, always had a feeling that I won't deny that work, never could toss, look in my eyes, I'm on the rocks, rise.
Alright, so me and Austin are next. I'll be completely honest with you guys. I do think I'm gonna lose. He said he's gonna launch his car. Hopefully he doesn't break anything. But if I have a chance at beating him, I'm gonna have to launch pretty freaking hard and hopefully get a really good reaction time. So let's see how it goes. So we're gonna put this in sport mode, then turn traction control completely off. Pretty cold right now. I'm probably gonna have to do a burnout to heat the tires up. I don't know where they're at. They're decent. I'll probably try it. Let's see.
Dude, I almost had you.
And I had him off the line. I passed him, got a good launch, but he just flew by me. I had no chance whatsoever. That BMW is just way too fast. I mean, he has 200 horsepower more, or 300 horsepower more than I do. But yeah, I did a 12.5. He did a 11.7. Granted, this car can go a lot faster than mine, and I launched mine pretty hard. So let's see what let's see what we can do next. Alright, so we got it running. Everything's all good. Her car just was low on oil. BMW sent to burn oil. It just added 1 quart. It's fine now. So we're gonna be racing each other. Hopefully, I'm gonna ask the guy to see if she'll let her race me, and let's see how it goes. That was a very close race. I just raced Ariana with the M4. She did a 12.2 and I did a 12.4. She beat me by 3 miles an hour too. That was a really close race. Oh my god, we're gonna run it again. I thought it was gonna be my last run, but I need to beat that M4. Okay, so the night didn't go as planned. We were gonna run again, but then things started happening at the track. An M4 crashed because I guess he would put traction control off. But then we kept seeing other BMWs losing traction on the same road. I'm like, And a buddy of ours destroyed his differential on his M4. His brother destroyed the transfer case on his Honda because it's a 4-wheel drive. And we're like, you know what? That's a sign. We're done. So now we're heading out. Ariana beat me by point. I think it was like, this is it? No, I need to look for the paper. She beat me by, so she ran a 12.2, I ran a 12.4. So it was like right there, but her that M4 is just something else. I'm not sure I'm gonna bring my car back to the track for a while, simply because I have something else that might be coming in. I don't wanna say what it is just yet. It's still in the works, but I don't know yet. I might continue building this, I might not, but that's still to come. For now, thank you guys for watching. It was a hell of a night, definitely one to remember. And I hope you guys have a good one. Thank you.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah.